Welcome to Phillips Guard. Smarter security, smarter savings. Security is evolving, and Phillips Guard is leading the way. With real-time detection, live deterrence, and drone-enabled response, we bring a smarter, more proactive approach to protection. Imagine 24/7 monitored video security that works tirelessly day and night, for a fraction of the cost of traditional guard services. Let's look at the challenges: high costs, gaps, and false alarms. Guard services are expensive, costing $20 to $40 per hour, and even the best guards can't be everywhere at once. Human fatigue, missed patrols, and slow responses leave critical gaps in coverage. Unverified alarms can waste time and resources, with more than 90% of police responses nationwide caused by false triggers. Phillips Guard helps reduce these false alarms by up to 95%, providing verified, actionable alerts in real time. Let's look at Phillips Guard in action. Each Phillips Guard Flex unit combines two high-definition smart cameras, integrated speaker, siren strobe light, cellular communication, and professional 24/7 monitoring. It's solar-ready, wireless, and fully self-powered, ideal for construction sites, car dealerships, or any remote property. For about $4 to $10 per hour, you gain continuous coverage, instant deterrence, and verified response through a trusted local partner like Phillips. Smart detection and verification. When activity is detected, it's verified in seconds by a live operator, eliminating false alarms and unnecessary dispatches. When suspicious activity occurs, our monitoring center can immediately engage, speak down, and try to deter before something happens. And with aerial support from Sunflower Labs drones, Phillips Guard provides rapid, on-demand visual coverage and detection where it matters. One drone can replace the visibility of up to 4 guards, reducing costs by more than 70%. Technology showcase, Axis Communications, and Sunflower Labs. Our technology partners bring best-in-class innovation. Axis Communications delivers intelligent video analytics, identifying motion, people, and vehicles in real time from the company that invented the IP camera. Sunflower Labs' drone system provides autonomous perimeter patrol and verification from the air. Think of a mobile camera that can be positioned where you need it on demand. Together, they form the foundation of Phillips Guard's advanced protection platform, combining precision detection with proactive response. Reporting and accountability. Every event is verified, documented, and logged, giving you full visibility into what happened and when. Our operators review every alert, create detailed incident reports, and share them with clients for complete transparency. This level of accountability not only improves response but builds lasting trust with every customer. Let's summarize and create a call to action. Compared to guard services that cost up to $40 an hour, Phillips Guard delivers automated protection for about $4 an hour equivalent with zero downtime and verified accuracy. Fewer false alarms, stronger deterrence, better visibility. Phillips Guard, smart, monitored, proactive security. Visit phillipsalarm.com to learn how we're redefining protection across the Pacific Northwest.